Buenas tardes, nos encontramos nuevamente aquí en FutureCom, en Río de Janeiro, 2012. Está con nosotros el señor Mark Pugerude y él es el President of Global Sales and Marketing of GENBAND. Mr. Pugerude, nice to meet you and thank you for accepting this interview. Can you tell more about what's GENBAND?
Sure. Thanks, Fernando. GENBAND is one of the largest software suppliers to carriers in the entire world. We really specialize on a lot of the fixed line networks, but we also have branched pretty exclusively into mobile as well. So think of us as the software infrastructure for a lot of the communications across the carrier infrastructure. We specialize in unified communication software. So think of anything that for both residential, business, mobile applications, we provide all of that for our operator customers.
What are your major solutions that you're offering here in FutureCom?
Yeah, so we're really specializing today here is what we call mobile life and mobile office. What we view is that your fixed smartphone is going to can have multiple personalities. It can have a business purpose and a personal purpose, and you're able to utilize that software technology on a single handset to use both for your work environment as well as your home environment. So that's one of the things we're showing, as well as some of our security products. We really specialize on securing these open networks. As you have voice over IP go over the internet and over IP networks, the security component becomes a lot more important. So we provide the security infrastructure for a lot of the carriers that deploy IP and voice over IP networks.
Yeah, what are your main customers that you have in Latin America?
So in Latin America, we've been pretty fortunate. We've been in the market for close to 30 years. We sell to companies like América Móvil, Telecentro, GVT. So if you think about us, we've been able to expand into Latin America into all regions, from Mexico all the way through down to Southern Cone. The reason why people have come to us would come to GENBAND is that we really focused on some of the harder problems that some of the smaller carriers that had to operate in this region. We've been able to put all of our systems and software into a single package where they're able to easily deploy it, and then we had the services that enabled them to expand the voice over IP infrastructure even bigger. So they consider us a valuable partner in this area, and we employ a lot of people in the area just for the purpose of doing staff augmentation and helping out these carriers deploy services faster.
What made you different between you and GENBAND and your competitors?
Yeah, well, thank you. I appreciate it. Well, one is that we're the largest privately held company in the world that specializes in software. Just recently, we were elected by the Wall Street Journal as the #1 venture-backed company in the world. There's like 2,200 applicants, and we won #1 in the world. And the reason why we get that is, one, is we purposely built our software specifically for communications platforms. So as the world becomes more entrenched with social networking and having to interconnect both old networks and new networks together, we provide that software glue, if you will, to bridge the old networks to the new networks, and then to connect them up to social networks like Facebook or Twitter or other types of social networking schemes. So carriers have come to trust GENBAND over the years because we're able to help them, get to new markets, get to new business products faster, and help them become more relevant. What they don't want to do is just be dumb pipes. They don't want to just be providing just a simple bandwidth service. They want to have some value along with their solution, and GENBAND specializes in building that value on top of regular data bandwidth.
Is there any special solution, product, or services that you will announce here in Rio de Janeiro in the FutureCom? Yeah,
one of the things that we're really promoting quite heavily right here is the notion that you can have a mixed environment for both fixed and mobile, what they call fixed mobile convergence. And with mobile office and mobile life, what we're able to do is take a single user and have them be able to communicate to their business communications and their home communications, all utilizing the same device. It's just software on a smartphone. And we provide not only the client software for that, but we also provide the core infrastructure software to make that communications enablement a possibility. So that's one of the things that we're really promoting here. The other part is as we expand into this offering, we've actually had a lot of new mobile offerings just recently. BT, British Telecom, has a significant presence here in Latin America. We've recently started to help build out what we call their mobile interconnect. So for large mobile carriers, when they want to connect up networks together, they need a lot of software and security to be able to do that. We provide that technology for large carriers like BT to connect with Claro or Vivio or Oi in market.
Thank you very much, Mark.